अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप। सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
आज हम करने वाले हैं स्टार डिप्स। ऑलराइट, you lie down, hands wide and star position. You know, star to come up and go back. Come up and go back. Go slow and control. Awesome. Come on. Let me set up the mic. Awesome. Keep going. 4, 5. He's doing what? See, I like his strategy
30.
to count 10, 10, 10.
40.
So he's at 14.
50.
Awesome. Come on. Let me do it. Let me do it together.
80.
Come on. Come on.
90.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
40.
Push. Single leg drops. Alright, I'll just quickly show you what to do with this. Just lie down flat on your back. Get both legs up 90 degree and single leg drop. Drop it, take it up and drop the other leg and bring it back. Go slow, go slow, go slow. Oh, awesome, awesome. Try to keep the legs straight. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. See, this is what you need to do. Go slow and control. Pace it up. Alright, exhale while you come out. Go slow, don't drop. Whenever you feel you're dropping the form, don't take your break. But push your boundaries, push your limits. That's what we need. हमें आज एक एक्सरसाइज है जिसका नाम है Roadrash Kick. तुमने खेली है वो गेम Roadrash? I think I'm too old then. This is very simple move but very effective for your obliques. Alright? So हमें क्या करना है? You have to go down like this on your hands and knees and you have to kick. Come push. Oh, sorry. I accidentally kicked. I think मैंने road rash बहुत ही ज़्यादा seriously ले लिया है. So I think what I can do is I can go a little slow, little bit more careful that I don't actually kick her. Right? Oh wow, this is pretty good move for your butt as well. Alright? Awesome, you're doing pretty good at a good pace. Awesome. अगर आपको ये वर्कआउट सीरीज पसंद आ रही है तो कमेंट करें और अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ में शेयर करें. Till then, stay home, stay fit. See you soon.